Hello everyone, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I have done part one of this elegant pipe bead. This is the second part. I'll be dropping the link of the first one in the description of this, and both for each one. So here I want to show you how I'm going to embellish it. How I will do the embellishment. That is, I'll be fixing the pipe across like this. So what you are going to do is, after you have taken another fresh wire or fishing line, you pass through to 1, 2, 3. You leave 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you now come here. You now pass through your. You now take your pipe bead. Take your pipe bead. Let it go down. Then you now take it across to the first size 6 here. To the first one here. You now pass through here. So you take another one. You take it to the next bead. Take it to the next one here. And you take another one. You come down here. This one's supposed to come here. It's like there's a mistake somewhere here. So when you are doing your own, please be careful. You're supposed to leave a space there, which I did not do. So you use this one. So that is how you continue doing it. Please don't make mistake. So you now come down. To this side. Can you see it's giving us another design already, another style already? So this is what you are going to be doing till when you get to the end. So I will continue off camera, then I will show you the end result. See what it's giving us. I will continue off camera. So can you see the design? See the one that I have done twice. Can you see the difference? So this is how you're going to continue. You pick the cross bead. So you now come here, you pick the next one. This is the next one over here. The next one, you pick another straw bead. Then you go to the next one up here. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So you pick the next one. Then you go down, let it go down to this place. So you pass your needle to this needle. So you pick another one. We are doubling it, and it's giving us another design entirely. So kindly subscribe to my channel. This is the next one. Then you take another strawberry. So at this point, I would like to thank you for staying tuned. Subscribe to my channel, please. So this is where I will end. I will continue. Then I will take the picture. Thank you. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. This is Shining Folake Studio, Shining Folake TV. Today we are going to be treating this elegant necklace made of straw bead and crystal bead. So today I'm going to be starting. You cut a reasonable fish line, and this bead is quite different because we are going to be using two needles. Two needle, can you see? You fix one at the end of it, cut a reasonable length that you can maneuver. Then you now take the needle, you take your hook. I'm using figure 8, we call it figure 8 here in Nigeria, but I don't know what you are calling it in your own place. So you will fix it into one of the needle, then let it go down. Let it drop down. Then you now take, let me say 3 or 4, depending on how long you want it to be. I'll be using 2 crystal bead. I'll be using 2 because I want to do the bangle. So I fix in 2, it goes down. Can you see? So now I will split the needle. I will split them to 2. I'll split them into 2. So you split your needle. You take one size 8 with one needle. Then you take the smaller size 6. You can use size 6 or size 4 with the other needle. We are using 2 needles. This is how it's going to be, one small one and one big one. Then you now go to your rice bead or your long bead. Can you see? You now interlock it. Use your needles to go inside. So it's somehow trickish. I'm trying not to let it to shoot my hand. Okay, let me bring this one out first. Then I will take this one in. I'll take this one in. This is the way you do it. Then it goes down. Can you see it goes down? Then you now continue. On this side, we are having the smaller bead size 6. It should go down. Then the other needle, you take the bigger one, size 8. Take one of it. Let it go down. Then you now take one pipe bead. Then you now fix it. Let it go down. So at this point, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Can you see? So this is what you are going to be doing till when you get to the length that you want. So you take the small one with the small. So this is how you are going to do it. Then when you continue, you now get something like this. But if you want to use it for bangle, you rather use small one here, small one to the other side too, or you use big one, big one. But this one is going for the neck, for necklace, so I'll be using big one and small one. So if I'm going to do the bangle, it's either you use small one for the two side or you use big one for the two side. So that is how you are going to continue to do it. So I will come back to you much later. So after getting to the length that you wanted, maybe necklace or bangle, I want to show you how you can end it. So you take 4